Okay, so apparently if you mix enough cheese and enough sour cream into mashed potatoes and butter, you get this like dough consistency, but like watch this. It doesn't stick to the bottom of the bowl. And it's like almost like dough. Like look at this. It's like a consistent fluffy dough. Tastes good. It's a fuck ton of cheese, a fuck ton of sour cream, a fuck ton of butter mixed in with mashed potatoes. Just regular mashed potatoes. This is so weird. It doesn't even stick to the bowl. I think it's because of the butter, but like, I did this like one bit at a time in the microwave. 1 minute each. First, I put the mashed potatoes in, and then I put like 4 scoops, this spoon of butter. Pretty big scoops, too. Then I just cooked it for a minute and stirred it up to mix the butter in. And it, like, once the potatoes wouldn't stick to the bottom of the bowl. Then I threw a whole layer of cheese on it until you couldn't see the potatoes anymore. I let that cook for a solid minute again. Then I oh wait, no, before I put the cheese in, I mixed in 3 scoops of the sour cream. Yeah. And like then once I cooked the cheese on the top, I like put sour cream on top of the cheese and just stirred it until it became this. It tastes pretty good. I don't even know what I just did, but I'm baffled by this. Like, I've never made something in a microwave that is like this. Usually it comes out all chunky or really creamy and it always sticks to the bottom of the bowl, but this? It's not sticking to the bottom of the bowl. Also, the reason I'm not eating it straight away is because it's hot as fuck.